Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is mid-monthly reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the rest of the month of December 2025. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And if you want to be a reader like me, you can find the course link of the courses, uh, tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono in the description box. I'm sorry, I'm on my periods and I'm so much in pain, but I feel like doing it because the more I'm trying to not to feel the pain, I'm feeling it. So I felt like, okay, let's do something productive. Okay, Aquarius, let's see your overall energy for the rest of the month of December 2025. I'll make only 2-3 videos today and rest I'll do tomorrow. The overall energy for the rest of the month of December 2025, Aquarius. We have Three of Swords, Page of Wands, the Magician, bottom of the deck is the Tower. Okay, you guys are hurt. You guys are trying to manifest a brand new brand new life. Okay, so because you're hurt, you're heartbroken, something is still like bothering you, and you're moving on from something. You are moving on from a painful situation or breakup or separation or something that happened that is still bothering you from inside. This event already happened. This is not like something new that is happening and hurting you. This already has happened, and now you're trying your best to move forward in a positive way and manifesting a brand new chapter, a brand new life for yourself, where everything is good, everything is healed, and everything is positive. Bottom of the deck is a Tower. So you guys are trying to make sense of this newfound energy of yours, newfound life of yours. Something is not there anymore, something or someone, and you are trying to make sense of living your life, starting your life from scratch without that particular person or energy in your life. You were not, maybe you were not expecting this situation or this heartbreak to like impact you this deeply, but now when you're realizing it, you have to accept it, and you're trying your best to accept this newfound truth and reality of your life. Okay, that's actually a good thing. Let's see what was happening in the recent past for you guys, Aquarius. Okay, my love, come back. Queen of Cups. Okay, you guys were in this keeping your emotions, keeping your things to yourself kind of energy, simultaneously trying to be in the self love, self care, self healing mode in the recent past. Let's see what we have in the current energies, my love, Aquarius. King of Cups. Now you are trying your best to be emotionally content, emotionally centered. So whatever is happening is happening. You are trying your best to remain calm and composed and let life flow through you. Awesome. This is really good. You guys are leveling up. You guys are growing when it comes to your maturity level, understanding level, and depth of emotions. You guys are able to understand them better now and feel them better, and know how to deal with this. Awesome. Let's see by the end of this year what we have for you guys. The Empress, loads of growth and expansion and happiness. Wow, this is really beautiful, meaningful, very meaningful energies. Maybe there was a partnership because Queen of Cups and King of Cups are together here. There was a partnership in the past that was very important for you. Now it might or might not be there. We are going to clarify. But you are emotionally content. You are emotionally mature enough to understand how to deal with whatever is happening. Okay, let's clarify the Queen of Cups in the recent past for you guys. We have the Death card, the Moon, and the Two of Wands. Yes, you were out of a fear. You were out of a very stressful phase of your life, and you were moving forward. So, some kind of either some kind of insecurity or fear that was transformed into like a very strong energy of okay, I have to keep moving forward in spite of this fear or insecurity of my life. or there was some kind of secretive or mysterious kind of energies around you, and somehow you transformed them into self love, self care, and self healing, but you were still waiting and hoping for some kind of things to improve, okay, for your life to improve in general. So you were able to transform something not so good into something meaningful for your life, into something productive for your life, but you were still waiting for some kind of good days, good results, and happiness, okay, meanwhile maintaining your calm and composed energies, and being in this caring and loving yourself like a kid kind of energy. Right now we have King of Cups. Let's clarify this. We have Four of Cups, Eight of Wands, and the Five of Swords. You are disappointed because something is not going in that pace in your life the way you wanted it to go. It can be some kind of miscommunication in some kind of emails or documentation, or there is some kind of distance or long distance kind of thing that you guys had to manage, but somehow it's not happening, and it's very, very stressful. But the way you are handling all of this stressful and disappointment and confusion kind of energy in your life is making you feel very, very mature and content from inside. You're like, okay, shit happens, life goes on, I cannot control each and everything in my life, but eventually I have to just let it flow. And you're trying your best to let life flow the way it should, okay, without interfering in the flow of this flow of your life. Okay, although you're stressed out from inside, you're a little disappointed and confused, but you are not interfering in this flow. You are like, okay, whatever is supposed to happen will eventually happen. Why should I like continuously bother about it and cry over spilled milk? Awesome. By the end of this month we have the Empress. Let's clarify this Empress. Wow. Just give me 1 second, honey. Yeah, let's clarify this Empress. We have the Four of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups. Yes, you are going to be in this taking a chill pill kind of a mode. You are going to be mostly in your own cocoon, in your own world, healing yourself, taking care of yourself, being in this slow moving pace of your life. Like, okay, let me enjoy my life to the fullest. Let me be in this slow and steady wins the race kind of energy. Let life flow the way it should flow, and then eventually you will be able to find your soul tribe. Either you will be able to connect or reconnect with your family members again, your literal family members, or people who are like family to you, and you are going to feel very rich, you are going to feel very abundant, you are going to feel loved, and you will be able to give love unconditionally from your side to whosoever you guys are going to connect with, whether it's a literal family or people who are like family to you, or you might end up connecting with soul tribe, soul family of yours, and you are going to feel very lucky, very happy, very much in this giving energy, and it's going to make you feel like, okay, this is what real abundance and this is what real prosperity feels like and looks like. It's like you are getting the taste of life. The like all spiritual people, every person on this earth, our elders, all of them are teaching us to slow down, relax, and connect with our own people who gives us love, who really are there for us, and that is the most important wealth all of us should have in our life. And you are going to get the taste of this by the end of this month, by your own relaxation, by your own deeds, by being in this zone of, okay, whatever is happening, let it happen, I am calm, I am composed, I am healing, and I'm letting life flee if I'm letting life flow freely through me. And then you are going to connect or reconnect with family kind of people, soul tribe, if you guys are on a spiritual quest or something, and that's going to make you feel like the luckiest person alive on this person on this planet earth kind of a deal. And you will be in a very loving, nurturing, caring, and giving kind of energy, huh? Very motherly kind of energy, whether you're a male or female, it doesn't matter. Hmm? So it's like meeting your soul tribe and feeling life passing through you slowly and gently in a very loving way. For some of you, even if you are not going to connect with anybody, it's your energy with the divine that's going to make you feel like you are part of a divine family, and you are growing, you are happy, you are content, and this is the wealth that you were missing in your life, and now finally it's here. This is really beautiful. Part of divine family. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Aquarius. Oh my god. What is happening? Sometimes the cards are like, rest, baby, and I'm like, no, I have to work, and then I have to rest forcibly because they make me do that. Right, right. Sometimes it happens. I'll take rest after this. We have Five of Pentacles, Justice, and the Four of Wands. Right, you are doing the right things. Whatever you are doing, Aquarius, for your healing, for your growth and expansion as a person, as a soul. It's working out in your favor. Make sure you are going to choose the right direction, the right path. You are going to do justice with yourself, because until unless you are going to start doing justice with yourself, the whole divine is will not be able to do that for you, right? And whatever you're routing for, happiness, stability, commitments, long term happiness, it will start coming to you naturally and organically when you are going to choose the right thing, the right people, the right situations, and you are going to do justice with yourself at every point of your life. So choose the hard truth over the comfortable lie, and whatever you are struggling with, you are not going to struggle with that anymore. You are going to, the universe is going to make sure to take care of you because you are taking care of yourself. So the universe is going to reward you with very beautiful energies of, okay, so if you are standing up for yourself, you're showing up for yourself, let me give you a reward. Let me give you a lot of happiness. Let me make you meet your divine family. Beautiful, beautiful. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.